Good day, everybody. This is Tristan from Keel team at Real Estate Investments. I'm excited to be presenting another rendition of the Mobile Home Park REIT investing blog, where each quarter we analyze the top performing REITs, namely Sun Communities, ELS Properties, UMH Properties, and Flagship Communities. As always, we're going to be touching on their stock price performance, net operating income, occupancy rates, lot rent growth, as well as acquisitions and dispositions, just to get an idea of what activity is happening across each REIT. And we're going to be comparing versus last quarter versus the previous reporting year, just to get a full picture of what's going on in this sector. If you get value from this video, please like, please subscribe, please comment your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're looking for the full blog, we've attached it in the description. And stay tuned for more tips from this blog. Thank you so much. All right, first up, we have Sun Communities. Their stock price in quarter one 2025 hit $128.64, up from $122.97 last quarter and $122.27 a year ago. Rising interest rates did challenge REIT valuations, but Sun's operational strength does fuel optimism. And their NOI does speak to that. It's up 6.4% year over year to $172.5 million from $162.2 million a year ago. And it's also higher than last quarter, which was $161.9 million, despite seasonal shifts. Now, occupancy stayed robust at 97.3%, level with last quarter, and lot rent rose 2.3% to $724 per site, with a 5.2% jump year over year, and that's thanks to inflation and tight supply. Next, ELS Properties. Their stock price ticked up to $66.43 in quarter one 2025, from $66 last quarter, and also up from last year $64.17. NOI improved, with net operating income per share at $1.97 to $2.07, which is fueled by rent hikes largely. Occupancy slipped to 94% from 94.4%, which was impacted by the Florida hurricanes, where they lost 170 sites, but 97% homeowner occupancy is a rock solid base. Lot rent also grew 2.9% to $895 per site, up 5.5% over the year. Alright, now UMH Properties. Their stock price was $18.70 in quarter one 2025, slightly down from $18.88 last quarter, but up from $15.32 a year ago, showing a strong upward trend. NOI climbed 8.4% to $32,537,000 from $30,917,000 a year ago, which is largely driven by rental income. Occupancy hit 87.9%, up from 87.3% last quarter, but down slightly from 88% a year ago, as new homes are settling in. Their 417 new homes boast 94.7% occupancy. Lot rent increased 1.8% to $554, with an 11% rental income jump year over year. Finally, Flagship Communities REIT. Their stock price rose to $16.85 in quarter one 2025, which is up from $14.99 last quarter, as well as up from last year, $15.35. NOI soared 13.5% to $15.1 million from $13.3 million a year ago, and that's thanks to rental and occupancy gains. Speaking of which, occupancy was 84.4%, which is down slightly from 84.8% last quarter, but up 83.9% a year ago. Lot rent jumped 8% to $484 per site, which is a 8.3% year-over-year increase. All right, and that wraps up another quarter for the mobile home park REIT investing sector. And as you can see, despite stock price challenges, net operating income and lot rent growth remained robust, which does reflect strong demand in this industry. But please comment your thoughts below. If you do get value, please like, please subscribe, stay tuned for more. And if you're looking for any additional resources, we've attached a free ebook below which can give you a bit more insight into this asset class. But thank you very much, and catch you next time.